Hello, today I will show you how to check and even improve network signal on your Android. So let's get started. So firstly, let's check signal strength, open settings and tap into search bar and type in signal strength. Yep, and look for that value. So anything lower than minus 107 is a weak signal, and everything higher than minus 80 is a good signal. So as we can see, it's a weak signal. So to improve signal, let's come back to the main menu of settings and let's go to the apps. Yes. And right here, let's search for SIM Toolkit. Yeah, we need this one. And here we should go into the storage and clear cache and clear data. And this will also improve signal. Then come back to the main menu, go to the connections and look for the data usage. Then to the data saver and make sure that data saver isn't enabled. And this will boost internet speed. Then go to the Wi-Fi and go into this small three-dot menu and to the advanced settings and disable this feature called Hotspot 2.0 and choose a network manually from the list, which is more efficient. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. See you next time.